Investing in real estate is a lucrative avenue for creating passive income and building long-term wealth. This guide will provide you with essential insights on how to embark on your journey towards financial freedom through smart real estate investments. 1. Educate yourself. Start by immersing yourself in resources like audiobooks such as Real Estate Investing by Armani Murphy and books like The Book on Rental Property Investing. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial. 2. Identify profitable deals. Learn how to spot the best real estate deals. Analyze market trends, property values, and potential growth areas. Networking with seasoned investors can offer valuable insights. 3. Essential formulas and finance. Master essential formulas for evaluating property such as the cap rate and cash-on-cash return. Explore various financing options, including loans and partnerships, to leverage your investment. 4. Building the right team. Success in real estate often hinges on collaboration. Surround yourself with a reliable team including real estate agents, property managers, and contractors. These professionals play a crucial role in your success. 5. Create multiple streams of income. Diversify your real estate portfolio to include rental properties, commercial spaces, and vacation rentals. This strategy ensures a steady flow of passive income from different sources. 6. Explore passive income models. Consider proven passive income models outlined in resources like Passive Income, Beginner's Guide. This guide can provide actionable strategies to achieve financial freedom. 7. Financial freedom with real estate. Realize the benefits of passive income from real estate, including stable cash flow and financial confidence. Embrace the journey towards financial independence. Subscribe now to learn more interesting facts. Finance no worries.